Hello everyone, I'm Sebastian Y. Welcome to Econometrics. This is just a quick video to show you how to access data through the remote desktop on Apporto. We're here in the Canvas site for our class, and under Modules, you'll find the module at the top called Course Essentials, and there is a link to Apporto right there. As we go through the class, of course, this Modules page is going to fill up with other things, but this is always going to be at the top. Click on Apporto and open in a new window. This will take you straight there. You can also, of course, just type in this URL, charlotte.apporto.com, in your browser. We're going to click on the App Store and then launch the virtual desktop. You will have to log in with your UNC Charlotte account if you haven't done that already. It can take a little bit of time, but once it is loaded up, we will have a remote desktop that is running inside of our web browser. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so I can see my regular desktop behind it as well. The thing to remember about the Apporto remote desktop is that it is not a persistent environment, meaning that when you save files inside the remote desktop, next time you go in, it might not be there. What we're going to need to do is upload files into the remote desktop to get started, and then anything you saved in the remote desktop, we're going to want to download it back onto your local machine so that you can be ready to go for next time. On my desktop here, I've got a Stata dataset called cars. I'm going to go ahead and upload that into the remote desktop by clicking the upload button. Then you're going to need to navigate to wherever your file is. Mine's on my desktop, so it's right here. Click on Cars, Open, and that's going to upload into the remote desktop. You can see after a few seconds, it appeared right here at the bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and double-click on that to open it up with Stata. Since this is a DTA file, clicking on that is going to automatically launch Stata. You can see that Stata has now launched inside of the remote desktop, and I can go ahead and make this big again so that I can work on this file. Once you're done working inside the remote desktop, you're going to want to save your work, and then we need to send that file back onto your local machine by clicking Download. Obviously, I didn't do any work with cars, but I can go ahead and download that back anyway, and you can see that that is now downloaded onto my computer. Then when I'm ready to continue working on that, I can go back into Apporto, upload that new file back in, and keep working. This does work okay, but as you can see, it is a little bit clunky, which is why I generally recommend buying a Stata license. But if you do choose to go this route, you may want to still use the computer labs for working on your homework, because it will be a little bit smoother with Stata installed on those machines. That's all for right now. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.